voluntary muscles. Give me definition of voluntary muscles. What is a voluntary muscle? What is a voluntary muscles? Give me answer.
Muscles which are controlled by our will.
Yes. Where the voluntary muscles is present? Where voluntary muscles is present?
Tongue, pharynx, body wall, limbs.
Okay. Now I am taking the next question. Uh, what is the name of voluntary muscle? What are the other name of voluntary muscle?
Striated muscle. Skeletal muscle.
Skeletal muscles or striated muscles. Why it is called the striated muscles? Give me answer.
Because there are light and dark bands present.
And that condition is called the, when the light and dark band are present, this condition is called light and dark band present, that condition is called
Striated.
striation. And that muscles are called the striated muscles. Okay. What is special character present in the cardiac muscles? What is special character present in the cardiac muscles? Just give me answer.
Cardiac muscles have ability of rhythmic contraction and relaxation. By this, blood pump by heart.
Okay, right. Listen me the next question. Cardiac muscles. Next question. Listen me. What is the other name of involuntary muscles?
Smooth muscle.
Smooth muscle. Smooth muscles.
Involuntary.
Smooth.
What is the involuntary muscles? Smooth muscles. You are right. Give me definition of involuntary muscles.
Which are not controlled by our will.
Controlled by our will.
Muscles which are not controlled by our will. Where it is present? Okay. Where involuntary muscles is present?
Visceral organs.
Visceral
organs.
Okay. Inside visceral organs. Okay. Now next, today topic I am taking, beta. If you have any doubt, you can ask me question now. From the last week topic, if you have doubt, you can ask me question.
Ma'am, what are peristaltic movements?
Listen me. Peristaltic movement is present in food pipe or in stomach or in intestine. Peristaltic movement are caused by sphincter muscles. Which muscles? Sphincter muscles. Peristaltic movement means contraction and relaxation. Continuous contraction and relaxation, so food come in stomach. When peristaltic movement take place in stomach, yes, any other
your
doubt?
voice is not coming.
Pardon? Pardon? Clear?
Yes,
Any
ma'am.
other doubt? Any other doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, today topic I am going to take you. Listen, what is that? Today, this chapter last topic, and what is that? Nervous system. What is that, beta? Nervous system. What is the nervous system? Nervous system is a compound tissue. What is that? Nervous system is a compound tissue. It is made up of 4 types of cells. How many types of cells? 4 types of cells. Again, I am repeating. Nervous tissue is a compound tissue. It is made up of 4 types of cells, in which the one example is the one cell is neuron. What is the one cell is? It is a compound tissue. Neuron. It is made up of the 4 types of cell, and 4 types of cell, out of which neurons are most important. Out of the structural unit of nervous system. Listen me. Neuron is a structural and functional unit of nervous system. Again, I am going to repeat. Nervous tissue is a compound tissue. It is made up of 4 types of cell. Listen, the one cell is called the neuron. Neuron cell. Neuron is a very important cell. It formed brain and spinal cord. What is formed by the neuron? Neuron formed brain and spinal cord. A neuron have ability of conduction of impulse and excitation. Which ability present in the neuron, beta? Conduction of impulse and excitation. Listen me, what is the impulse? Impulse are electrical signal, beta. What is the impulse, beta? Impulse are electrical signal. And listen me, neurons have an ability to conduct impulse in different parts of the body. Beta, mic ko mute karo. Neurons have an ability to conduct impulse in different parts of the body. Okay? And neurons have an excitation and conduction of nerve impulse ability is present. Yes? Now I am taking neuron is formed by the 4 types of cells. First of all, I am taking what is that? Neuron is formed by the 4 types of cells. Neuron is formed by 4 types of cells. First of all, I am taking what is that? That is called the neurons. Ab you already neuron. What is a neuron? Now cell is also called neuron. Now cell is also called the neuron. Listen me. Network error is continuously. So don't worry. I will repeat. You know the 4 types of cell present in nervous system. First is called the neuron. Neuron is also called the nerve cell. Okay. Nerve cell. What is a nerve cell? What is a neuron? It is a structural and functional unit of nervous system. What is a neuron, beta? Structural, video band karo. Structural and functional unit of nervous tissue. What is a neuron? Structural and functional unit of nervous tissue. Beta, apna video band karo. Listen me. Now the next. Neuron is made up of the neuron is consist of the 4 parts. First part, that is a thread-like, and that is called. अपना mic mute करो. Neuron first part thread-like, that is called the dendrite. Is the name dendrite? Dendrite is a hair-like and receive message transfer to cell body. Dendrite receive message and transfer to cell body. Okay. Now second part is called beta अपनी video और mute video करो आप. Listen me. Second part is called the cyto. Cyto called the cell body.
Ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Your voice is
Ma'am, your microphone is muted.
Listen me. Listen me. Yes. Neuron is made up of the 4 part. Again, I am going to repeat. Neuron is consist of the 4 part. The first part is called the dendrite. Dendrite is hair-like. Receive message. Transfer to cell body. Second part is called the cell body or cytone. Second part is called cell body or cytone. What is present in which? अपना video बंद करो बेटा. Continuously आप disturb कर रहे हो. Second part is called the cell body. Cytoplasm, nucleus is present and cytoplasm is present. That cytoplasm is called the neuroplasm. What is the name of cytoplasm? Neuroplasm. It is present in nerve cell and that is called the neuroplasm, in which small granules are present. That is called the nasal granule. What is the name? Small granule. That nasal. What is the function of nasal granule? Nasal granule help in protein synthesis. It is formed by RER. Nasal granules are formed by या consist of RER. RER का मतलब पता है? What is the meaning of RER? Tell me. Tell me what is the meaning of RER?
Rough endoplasmic reticulum.
Yes.
Rough endoplasmic
Rough
reticulum.
endoplasmic reticulum. So means in a nasal granule, RER present that help in the photosynthesis. What is the function of the cytone or cell body? Convert message into impulse. What is the function of cytoplasm or cell body? Convert message into the impulse. Now the next part of the neuron is called the axon. What is that? Axon. It is the longest part. Axon is longest part. And axon transfer impulse away from the cytone. What is the function of axon? Transfer impulse away from cytone. Okay, into the muscles. Transfer impulse into the muscles away from cytone. Okay, listen me. In axon, nerve endings are present. What are present in axon? Nerve ending. In nerve ending, what is present? Neurotransmitter. What is present in nerve ending? Neurotransmitter beta. Neurotransmitter help in transferring the impulse. All neuron is surrounded by myelin sheath. Neurons are surrounded by myelin sheath, and that neuron is called the myelinated neuron. Neurons are surrounded by myelin sheath, and that is called the myelinated neuron. Okay, now the first type of cell clear. First type of nervous system cell is a nerve cell. Now I am taking second type. That is called the neuroglia. What is that? Neuroglia. Neuroglia is present. The second type of the nervous tissue cell is called the neuroglia. I am going to spelling. So listen. Neuro. Listen me. Neuroglia. Neuroglia. Where the neuroglia present? Neuroglia are non-nervous, irregular. Non-nervous, irregular, present in between brain, spinal cord, ganglion, or eyes, retina. Where neuroglia is present? Neuroglia cell is present in brain, spinal cord, or retina, eyes, retina. Okay, now the third type of nerve cell. What is the name? That is called the neurosecretory cell. What is the name of that? Neurosecretory cell. What is the function? Secrete neurohormone. What is the next type of the cell? Neurosecretory cell. What is the function? Secrete neurohormones. Okay, and the fourth type of cell is called the ependymal cell. Ependymal cell. Fourth type is called phalanges. EPENDYMAL. EPENDYMAL. Ependal
Your
cell.
voice is not coming.
Wait. Now coming, listen me. The fourth type of cell is called ependymal cell. EPENDYMAL. Ependymal cell. Fourth type of cell is ependymal cell. Listen me. Where it is present, that cell is ciliated. Where it is present, brain and spinal cord cavity.